So hello, darlings.
Hello, everybody.
We are going out. Where are we going, darling?
Mount Cole,
Yeah,
Bianga State Forest.
Yeah, so, and we're going to meet Alan at
Beaufort.
my
Truck stop.
memory. Beaufort truck stop. We'll meet Al as well. So I want to have a talk to him about the meaning of life when we're out there. So this is going to be a good one, isn't it? I just feel like, how important is it to have the Sunday drive, Bert?
Oh, lovely.
I remember back in the day, Dad would always say, kids, we've got to go for a Sunday drive. And we would go wherever, wouldn't we, Deb, Philip? Goodness knows, Dad always got lost. But he did it to get Mum out of the house. And I really feel like I need to get out of the house today, Bert.
Yep, definitely.
So anyway, join us and let's hope you enjoy this video. So, this is how we roll. We have got our food. We've got, this bag is dedicated a lot to Lucy, but I've got my little teddy bear there with all her stuff. We've got coats, Bert has everything he needs in here, his drone and everything. I've got my slippers for coming home because I get freezing. Bert's little selfie stick, Lucy's ball, Lucy's lead, Lucy. So, as you all know, I love my car. My car is very dirty at the moment. Look at that, Lisa. Filthy dirty. But I've got this sneaky feeling that when we come back, it's going to be worse. What's the time, Bert? Hang on, I'll look at the dash.
10:22.
10:22 and it's 6 degrees. We're leaving the driveway right now, Al. We are heading off. Bert is in the driver's seat. It is 10:23.
And we're off.
We're off. Roadworks. There is always roadworks. I suppose that's progress, isn't it? Hello, darling. So we're here at Mount Cole. Alan's here with us. And Lucy is full on playing with the ball and Bert's getting our coffee ready.
Well, you think you're going to eat it?
You're not having it. Ahiranta, look, your biscuits. We've brought them along. Oh, where's my mascot? God. Yeah, here he is. He's our Blue Mex Teddy. Yes, yes, yes. So
this is the Aboriginal without bandage.
oh, they're little packets. Look at that. Little packets. Nice. If I can get into it anyway. Yes, Lucy, bring it here. Bring it here.
Got it right up against the leg here.
Has she? Just throw it, Bert. Just throw it. Morning. Hello, love. Oh, yes, sweetheart. When you're old, you do these sorts of things. Oh, it is a bit fresh this morning. 6 degrees. Look at it. Here you go, Elsie. We don't let the weather stop us, do we, guys? Here's yours, Bert.
Waterfall where the dog is.
Yes, we're going to have a look at that shortly. The waterfall. Where are you, miss? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where'd it go? Oh, it's under the table. Okay, here we go. Lucy, treat. So,
my dear.
Oh, thank you, darling. Look at the coffee. So, when we were coming out, Bert and I were talking, weren't we, darling, about the meaning of life. Now, I've got my meaning worked out. Go get it, Lucy, go get it.
You got it.
Biscuits.
Come here, doll. Oh, she is full on, Bert. She's Bert's dog when she's full on, isn't she, darling?
Where is she?
She's over this side. Hit a tree. Yeah, good job. So, Bert, what were you thinking? This is Bert's idea of the meaning of life, isn't it, Bert? You go.
What do I? Don't speculate, because speculation leads to rumours, and we know what rumours do. And enjoy life. Got a floaty. Where'd you get that from?
I think it's the lid of the coffee. It's the lid of the sachet.
It is too. How'd you manage to get that?
Well, darling, you made the coffee, so I'll say
Oh, there
nothing.
you
Geez,
go.
I'm good.
He's good, isn't
I'm
he?
good.
So what was your meaning of life? What was your meaning of life again, Bert?
Don't speculate. The speculation leads to rumours.
Yeah, but you said something else too.
Oh, I
I
can't
forgot. What was
remember.
it? It was so wise. It was Bert had a really wise meaning, but what was it, Al? What was it?
Can't remember.
I can't remember. Okay.
Oh,
All right. Well, my meaning of life is, I think, the meaning of life is to embrace change and embrace that nothing ever stays the same. You have your children, and you think that your children will be with you forever, and they're not. They grow up and they go, and you have to carry on without them. And while a lot of people are happy about that, there's probably just a couple of mums like myself that miss the kids something dreadfully and think about them all the
I'm joking on
time.
that one.
Think about them all the time. Now, Alan's family is
Don't exist.
miles away, and he's okay because they keep him in the loop. And I think as you're older, the meaning of life is being in your children's loop, that you're still a part of their life, so they're telling you what's going on. Uh-oh, she's lost it, Bert. I hope you watched where it went, because I didn't. And they tell you what's going on, and you feel like you're still in the loop. But to me, I feel like the meaning of life is constant change of letting go and not hanging on to anything. If Bert and I have an argument, which we do, don't we, darling?
Oh,
We have
yeah.
a Barney. When we have a Barney,
Where's rubble?
by the end of the night, it's finished, and we will usually have a kiss, won't we? And say, right, well, tomorrow's another day. And the next day, we don't think about what happened the day before. You live in the moment, live in the moment. So that's mine. And we are enjoying the bush, aren't we, Bert?
yes, we certainly are.
Lucy's wearing us out, and then we will throw her in the car and probably walk down to the waterfall without her, so I can check it out. Is it a big walk?
It's
Up to the waterfall. Oh, she might be okay with it.
It's only a short walk.
Yeah.
Camera.
Okay. I put 2 coats on her, so she was a bit panty in the car. Did you have a nice drive out, Al?
I hate potholes.
Yeah, so do I. But we had a lovely drive because we followed Al, and all the potholes that he went through we missed. So we were
I
right.
didn't hit him.
No, I know you didn't.
Hit 2 actually.
I like your brake lights. Not your brake lights, your blinkers, indicators. They go dip, dip. They remind me of something off Star Trek. Oh goodness, Lucy's keeping Bert busy. Throw it over to that one, darling.
I can't throw behind me.
Well, turn around and face that way, because then our people can see you throwing the ball that way to Lucy.
Bert never finished, Bert. No,
I'm not
stop
half.
it.
How were they? These are from your basket, Ahiranta. How were they?
Beautiful.
Nice. Yum. Now where'd you throw it?
Yeah, so that last section, I don't go very fast through there.
No.
I used to.
4-wheel drives out here.
But that first bit, absolutely hammer it.
Well, it's okay to drive out here because even if there are 4-wheel drives, they get out of the way. Like they'll go right up the countryside.
Yeah, but this is still one way, isn't it? They haven't turned it around.
Oh, no, I never will. It's all one way.
Here we go, Lucy. Treat. To the right, to the right, to the
Keep
right.
walking, Lucy.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, here we go. Everyone's vacating for a ball. Great balls of fire.
There it is.
Right in front of you.
Here we go, Lucy. Tree.
Great.
My throwing's off, Bert.
Oh, I think it's too much. Oh, that one's yours.
Where did it go that time? And because it's got dirty, where'd it go,
Keep
Al?
walking. To the left a bit. Left.
Oh, there it
Distractions.
is. Got it. Right.
Amazing, isn't it? You get here, all the birds are here, and as you sit here, they all vanish.
Yeah, but they'll come back because we'll have lots of crumbs here.
There are other parks down further, but
Are there?
yeah.
Not windy.
Oh,
Al just said the wind has come from nowhere. There is a bit of a breeze,
trees,
but what can the drone take, Bert?
trees.
10k.
10k.
What, before it gets home?
Yeah. It can take 10k of wind. It's
Oh, I
next to
thought it was
Alan's
going
foot.
to go 10k.
No.
Oh.
It's next to your foot, Al. The ball's next to your foot.
Which foot?
One of them. Ham's
I'm
got an apple.
exhausted.
Well, you get the dog.
Rubbish.
Hey. Incoming.
Well, we did do the park. It's lovely sitting here in the bush, having a lovely cup up.
I don't know, I don't get time to look.
She's
No.
your dog, Bert.
Yeah, you want the dog, you got it.
That's what happens when you have a puppy. You've got to give them lots of love and
It's
attention.
not a puppy, an old antique.
The coat's coming undone. She's got it. I've got this one.
So
Tree,
the
Lucy.
creek down the bottom, Bert,
Yeah.
Tam hates it, and she hasn't woken up to it yet.
Oh, it's not the one I fell in, I hope.
It's one that you had all the leeches on you.
Oh, it's got the leeches. Oh no, I'll have to take my perfume spray with it. Oh, the leeches. I forgot about the leeches.
Yep. You found them. You're the only one that did.
Oh.
So that other road where we turned off and kept going straight, that's when the me and Birdie took. I was in the mini year in the Cortina.
I probably
And
was.
we went up to the tower.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's a tower up there. Yes, see, we'll do all those roads.
Oh,
Oh, well, what we can do, Al, I mean, we're in a normal
only,
car.
The mini went.
Yeah, I want to go to where those big rocks were with that time we watched back.
What?
The rocks.
The rocks
On
where
the
you
other side of that
watch
car.
Bathurst. Oh, Lucy.
Remember we took my little telly with us?
The ball is filthy, guys. Filthy.
I'm trying to think which rocks.
Oh, it's not really rocks. It's just little boulders up the other side.
Oh, the serenity. So lovely to see young people out here. You can camp out here.
Yeah, you can camp down the bottom. It's free.
Free.
Yeah, that was the ranger coming out when we were going in.
I seen that. I seen that.
He's coming
got
to
a
see
pup.
how many were camping.
They got a puppy? Yeah, but theirs is on the lead. They're sensible.
That's King Charles.
Is it? Oh, they're beautiful dogs. King Charles Cavalier.
Yeah.
It looks about as
One,
crazy as Lucy to get out of the car. That's okay.
Settle
That's
down,
all right.
Goose.
That's all right. Listen to her panting. She's nearly done. Oh, you've got your coat totally undone. Oh, good girl. She's had enough. Right. Okay. We'll just stop for a minute. Got it. Bert wants to light a fire.
Oh, that's good. How long are you going to
Whether
stay
I've got
there?
me. Probably don't have any cigarette lighter with me today.
Any what, love?
Might have any lighter with me today.
No.
No, I don't have any lighter. Oh, yes, I do.
Bert, you're brilliant. That worked, didn't it? Was that better than the pillowcase for the thermos?
I use both to make sure.
The handle of the thermos rattles all the way. We hate rattles in the car. So I wrapped it in a pillowcase, but first of all, Berta put rubber bands around the handle, which was a good idea.
You won't see it, Tom. Still there. I bet you can't see it.
No, I can't see it.
It's on the tree, looking at us.
Oh, that's lovely.
What colour do you think it is?
I don't know. I can't even see it. The bird's getting the fire going. Where there's smoke, there's flames.
There you go.
Oh, Al, that's
Right,
beautiful.
Second one along to your left, above that silver thing in the tree.
Oh,
It's just down low.
I see it.
Yeah.
I see it. It's just flown
There
off.
we go.
It's so tiny.
There's
It's
a
up here
bird.
now.
Right up in the tree
Little
above
bird.
Bird's head.
Yeah, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Come on, Lucy, we're going to put this over here for the birds. Come on.
That's what it's waiting for. Can of petrol back.
That looks nice, darling. Oh, little fire. I should have brought marshmallows to toast.
That is a nice bird.
Did you get a drink, Lucy? Have a drink. Have a drink. What are the thoughts there, darling? Oh,
Oh, no thoughts, just blank mind. Something women don't understand. Men can just stand there and think of nothing.
well, meanwhile, in Lucy's world, Lucy and the ball, Lucy and the ball, Lucy, 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 Lucy and the ball. Yeah, so we're still having our cuppa, which is lovely. You be right, Al? Yeah. Okay.
The ring was in your lunchbox.
That's all right. You look out for us. Right, so we're going to walk down to the waterfall. Okay. I've left Lucy in the car. Oh, so we're going to walk down to the waterfall. Unfortunately, Al has had such a life that he has ruined his knees and can't walk down with us, but that's okay because I'll get some good footage for him to look at. So Alan's going to stay behind and try and get some footage of the beautiful little wrens that are out here. They are magnificent. It's so pretty. And I love the wildflowers. Many years ago, Bert picked me some wildflowers. And the ranger came and he got quite into trouble for it. Gee, they were pretty. So, you're not allowed to bring dogs down here. You're not allowed to bring dogs down here, Bert. The little thing's crossed out. So it's a good job Lucy's in the car. See, look at that. Dogs are crossed out. Okay, that's all right. So, oh, nature recharges. 100% it recharges. I've so needed this trip out here this week. I don't even know why. But it's just been a week that's been busy and busy at home. I mean, I make all the busyness that I can have, don't I? It's my own doing. But I let Bert do his own thing here because he gets very stressed if he has to look out for Lucy and look at anything else. We're hoping we can get some footage with the drone, aren't we, darling?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, so he'll have to go very high. Oh, a tree's fallen down here, look at that. And they've cut it so you can just walk through it. What a beautiful, beautiful bushwalk. Look at that tree. Wow. So what are you hoping to see down here, darling?
Waterfall. Probably a kangaroo or two would be nice.
I can hear it. I can hear the waterfall.
Don't you feel so insignificant to these trees?
You do, they're so high. Do you feel confident to fly the drone?
Never confident. No. best laxative I've ever got.
You've got this. You've got this. You'll be fine. Oh, how pretty is it? Now, I have brought my peppermint spray, which is a hand sanitizer among many other wonderful uses. This organic peppermint spray. Now, do you know why I've brought it? Aha! I got bitten by leeches here last time. Leeches love me. There's something about my blood that they just love. And I don't have Mum with her Chanel No. 5 to get them off. So I brought this peppermint spray and I'll see how that works. I was saying to Bert, wasn't I, Bert, that in the summer it's so hot. Oh, look at that. You don't want to go anywhere. And the winter's so cold. You don't want to go anywhere. And meanwhile, we're just getting out and we are going to do it. Yeah, Jose and Ahiranta have inspired me a lot. We watched the video this morning and I said to Bert, I said, let's go. It is so beautiful here. But Silly Tam didn't wear gumboots. Next time I will, because it really is so beautiful here. Can you see that little waterfall through there? It's gorgeous, guys. I just said to Bert, if I'd brought my gumboots, I would be down and in that. So I'm going to make sure that I remember to pack them next time.
One word, leeches.
Yes, well, gumboots can't get into leeches.
Knowing you, darling?
But I've got my peppermint spray. I'm safe with my peppermint spray. Oh, wow, it is so beautiful up here. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look, just gorgeous. Oh, no wonder Alan was disappointed he couldn't walk. Look at that. Oh, that is so beautiful. There would be so many woodland fairies in here. Wow, you should see it up here. It's so beautiful. I'm going to turn the camera around. You walk with me. Oh, wow.
Well, I've got to go down there and take a photo upstream.
Oh, yes. I am coming back here with gumboots. I'm on top of the world, yeah? I'm on top of the world, yeah? Oh, wow. I'm so pleased I didn't bring Lucy. Look at that. All I want to do is put my feet in. Majesty of water. Oh, wow. This is the big one. Oh, wow. I'm looking at this waterfall, Bert, and I'm thinking, how therapeutic would it be to stand in that water, to sit underneath those falls? Water massage.
Oh yeah. Well, you wouldn't feel it because you'd be frozen solid.
Oh. I won't climb any higher because I'm worried I'll slip. All the therapists in the world can't give you what nature gives you. They can sit and they can talk to you, but you get out with nature and you feel a whole different recharge. You really do. The strength and the power of waterfalls. God is truly marvellous, truly marvellous. I'm just loving this, Bert. I don't think I'll go any higher, but would you like to?
I don't know if you can go up here, but I'll go.
Yes, it's further on to walk.
I'll go up.
Bert's going up to check it out.
You just go down here.
Well, I'm a bit frightened about walking up there because it looks a bit slippery. So you do it and see how you go, honey. Ooh, I'm in the heart and the depths of it now, darling. The bottom of the falls. I've got a lot of trust in my shoes as I hang on to a waterfall fern. I can feel the water from the waterfall. Oh, wow. It's hypnotising. Hypnotising. I can feel the spray. I don't think I've ever seen this much water in it. I'm getting quite wet. Bert's going to see if he can fly his drone. Oh, it'll be wonderful if he can. It is dangerous here though, I can see that. I'll have to watch everything that he does in case it comes down. So I won't film him filming. I'll concentrate on living in the moment. And it's easy to do here because it's so dash beautiful. Concentration as she ventures out into the unknown. There goes the Enterprise One. We're heading back to the car now. Bert got a little bit of footage, but the spray from the waterfall was a bit too much. Fern Tree Waterfalls. Wow. And what a spectacular picture that is. Okay, so we're walking back. My phone's telling me it's nearly flat. Look at the stick I found. Yay! Bert's going to stick that up when we get home for my birdies. It's beautiful. We definitely need another cup of coffee. The nerves of flying the drone, I don't know about Bert, but oh, it does my head in. We really are adventurous though where we fly it, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look.
Except I mucked up. I hit the back stick instead of the down stick.
It ended up in a tree fern, Ahiranta.
No, it took my head off.
Nearly took his head off and ended up in a tree fern. So that was all right because he could just reach up and grab it and no damage done, which is the most important thing. So we're going back to the car. I'm going to put my phone back on charge and I'm going to check out how little Lucy is and take her out of the car. We're going to have another cuppa, have a chat with Al, and what a fantastic day it's been so far. Thoroughly enjoyed every second of it. What do you reckon, Bert?
I reckon.
Do you feel recharged from this, Bert? Or is
Oh
it
yeah,
just
just
me?
wish my knees had stopped shaking.
Oh,
Out of condition.
well, we're nearly back at the car now.
There's the Al, he's sitting down there.
Al's sitting down. He will have some beautiful photos of birds, won't he, Bert?
Yep, he will.
Because he sits there and he just disappears into nature. Hiya, Al! So he disappears into nature and he will have beautiful photos. So if you see really pretty bird photos on here, my brother-in-law Alan has put them on. It's wonderful now at this age that we can just get out and go and do this. It's so much fun. So much fun. Did you enjoy it, darling?
Oh, I did. I crashed my drone. That's 3 times now.
At least it wasn't serious. Lucy's finally tired out. She has been playing ball for ages, hasn't she, Bert?
Oh yeah.
Oh, goodness.
She's going to be limpy Lucy tomorrow.
Yeah, we try to moderate it, Hiranta, but she still insists on having the ball.
We only threw it half as far as normal.
Yeah, we only throw little fright throws.
Yep.
Well, I've got the sunroof open and I can smell the eucalyptus. Now we're going to go and have a look at a op shop or charity shop in Beaufort. Roadworks again. Always roadworks. No, that's fine. So, we're home.
We are. And eaten. Really yummy.
So we had salmon pie. I'd cooked it for tea last night and then we had it again today. I'm absolutely exhausted. Excuse the hat hair. Had it. How are you, darling?
Oh, tired. Knees are a bit wobbly.
Yeah, are they still wobbly?
Oh, they're getting better now. I can stand on them without them shaking.
But we had a lovely day and I don't know how people travel overseas. Oh, what are you looking for? Nits? No, leeches. Leeches. We had a lovely day, didn't we?
Yep.
We really did. And it was fun to have it, to share it with Alan and have a nice cuppa out there in the bush and the smells and the animals, and he took some lovely photos that I'll put in.
Thanks, Al.
So thanks for that, Al. So we've had a lovely day. And I just want to wish us all a really lovely week, and hope wherever you are in the world that you're happy and you're well, and that life is treating you good. I don't know if I've had Bert in this. I might not have.
Yeah, I was in.
You were in? Oh
Yep.
my goodness. Anyway, and I hope that life's treating you well, and look after yourselves. Make sure you do something for yourself every single day, darlings, even if it's just getting out the front door and walking around a park. So lots and lots of love from beautiful Ballarat.
Bye.
Bye for now. So how are you, Lucy? Lucy has been exhausted in the car. She doesn't sleep. She sort of sits with her little paws out straight and sits upright and will not sleep at all. And now she's home. She's resting, aren't you, darling? And she needs to, because she's really tired. So I'm going to go and have a shower and sit and do nothing. Absolutely worn out. What about you, Lucy? Yeah, we played and played with the ball up there because she just loves it so much. She really does. Lucy is so exhausted from today, she's not even eating her treat. She is totally had it. You have a little sleep, sweetie, that's okay. We're both in jammies, we've had it too.